Hey guys, welcome back to iConcept Phones. Today I'll be installing a second Brodit ProClip in my Ford Transit MK7. If you missed my last Brodit video, don't worry, you can find the link in the description below. Here's the deal. My first ProClip installation combined with my current Android head unit has made it impossible to use the cup holder table in my Transit. To fix that, I'm installing a second ProClip on the left air vent and mounting my active phone holder there. This way I can move the Brodit cup holder to the original ProClip location and finally have a usable cup holder again. Let's jump right in. Installing the ProClip is quick and easy. Start by peeling off the adhesive backing, then use the provided gap opener to carefully create a small gap in the left air vent. Once the gap is ready, press the ProClip firmly into place. It's that simple. Next, I attach my active phone holder to the new ProClip and route the cable to the left storage compartment where I have a cigarette lighter. Finally, I transfer the Brodit cup holder to the previous ProClip, giving me a fully functional setup with both the phone holder and the cup holder. One of the best things about Brodit products is their compatibility and reusability. My needs have changed since the last video, but thanks to the Brodit's modular design, I was able to adjust my setup without any issues. It's incredibly versatile. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a high quality phone holder that can charge your phone, connect it to your car's head unit for wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and adapt to your changing needs, Brodit is a brand worth considering. I've been using their products since my Opel Zafira B days, and they've never let me down. The convenience of plug and play phone charging and seamless Android Auto integration has been a game changer for me. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.